folks have seen our show before? Wow, look at those hands. Well, if you're one of those who have not seen our show, we hope you find it a little different than you might imagine. You see, there's no parrots riding bicycles or scooters, anything like that. Our show's all about free flight natural behavior. We don't up to a speeds well over 100 miles an hour. He doesn't go that fast, but he does give you one great big hurry. Tucking the wings up in a full dive. Here he comes, gotta find the brakes and the landing gear. Levi! Our Harris hog, that our boy. Nice job. So Magic Rogue sitting in a tree. Yeah, that's a good job, Rogue. But let's come back over here and we'll do this little demonstration. All right, Rogue? Imagine Rogue sitting in a tree in the forest. When an insect flies by, here's what you might see. Ready? Catch. Nice catch, that girl. Hey, that looked like a lot of fun. Here's a great for you, Lindsay. If you'll stand right here, Lindsay, facing that way. Now, when Rogue comes back, and when I tell you, I want you to throw that grape straight up just as high as you can, all right? Here we go. Here comes Rogue. Hang on just a minute, Lindsay. All right, are you ready? And go. Nice job. She was upside down that time. Hey, Lindsay, look at yourself on the big screen. That is some good form. Lucky volunteer. Actually, let's do two this time. Two people with cameras. So you gotta have a camera, okay? There's the camera right there. There's the camera. No, don't worry. He hardly ever misses. He's gonna land on this stump right above your head, okay? All right? Now, for now, you're gonna get the picture when he comes up there, Noah. All right. He'll hop right up there. Okay, Archie, we're ready. Hello, Archimedes. There he is. Okay. Now, you got a picture of him right there. Everybody out there gets a picture of him as he flies over their head. There he goes. Whoa, that was a nice close look. Okay, you guys, go ahead and sit out right here on the park bench. And when he flies over your head, you get another picture. Again, Eurasian eagle owl. One of the largest type. Here he comes, right down the middle. Whoa. Right there, get that picture right there. You go. Did you get it? All right, come on, stand up and let's get another picture. He'll usually look out here a little bit. There's that great photo for his treat. Now, Leslie, hold your arm out like this. Now, when this guy flies down, lands on your arm, let him eat the treats, okay? And then, I'm going to be right over here, and he'll fly over to my hand. Then we'll fly back to your hand again, okay? All right, now see that booth up there at the top of the theater? That's where your little bird again. You know, we've been having fits with this remote release system. Lindsay, back there. Here comes the condor. Holy cow! Are you? Oh my gosh! Are you? You are so. Oh my gosh! I'll tell you what. Why don't you have a towel? Hey, Stephanie, do you have a towel? Let me take it back out there. Come over here. Why don't you come over here?
She fall down.
Okay, yeah, have a nice hand for, oh my God.
He's joining us right over there, and he's going to fly all the way out there to Dan in the center platform. So if he flies over your heads, watch out for those toes. He tends to drag the landing gear. Nice job, Swope. Okay, now East African crown cranes are really beneficial in Africa. Nice job right here. Oh, what a beautiful flight. Nice job, Swope. And you guys can see where the East African crown crane gets that name
That
from.
his brother Levi had at the beginning of the show. And he'll need that speed to try and catch this squirrel way above your head. It does happen quickly. Keep your eye on him. Ready? Here we go. That's how it's supposed to look. Now he'll sit up there for now. Jason is number one. You're right. Keeping that rolling.
Just kissing, nice.
Yes. The rat problem used to be here. It's behind us now. Nothing at all to worry about. All right, let's go up to the top of the intelligence. Somebody have their phone. You have a dollar? right.
I got one.
Take that
I
ball
got
and
a
stand up right
double.
where you are. That's why it works better as long as you're fishing around that ball up there. All right. Hold it right out to your side. Great job. All right, let's go check it out. Raise it up a little bit. Hold it still. Oh, hold still. What do you do with those dollar bills you find? Grab that bill right back to me. Where do they go? In the pocket. Great, you did great too. Enjoy the show. Let's try a little Johnny over here. He of last year's show. And there, by the way, is our T-shirt. Isn't that amazing? All your favorite birds from the past. He's going to take it out of your fingers. Hold it in your fingers so it won't blow away. Escrow shows what you do with all those dollar bills. Fine, grab that bill any way you can. Good job, Escrow. Good job. Where did the 20s go? Right in the box. Attaboy. Nice job.
Maybe she missed it. Keto can introduce herself. We're going to try that. All right, this is Keto. She's a... Yeah. That's what I said. All right, Keto, this is a great crowd. How about a greeting? Yeah. A little greeting. And if you guys are lucky, she just might give you a great big kiss.
You give a kiss.
All right, I think
Right there, the bird right
some
there.
animal songs. We're going to see if she wants to share one of my favorites, Keto.
No, just no.
The pretty scary tiger.
Haley
Here's another one that's a little bit tamer. How about your kitty cat? Now that's a lot of fun. What Keto is actually best known for is her singing ability. She has a really fun song about a barnyard chicken that I'm pretty sure you'll all recognize. We're gonna I have to tell you, I've never heard that version of Old MacDonald before.
It's about time we start to face it.
Wow.
We can't make it here all alone. It's about time we start to listen to the voices in the wind. It's about time. It's about change.
It's poo-poo.
It's about time.
Well, it's true. We really can't make it here all alone. We rely on other species for our own survival. We've got a lot of amazing species on the stage here today. Way down over there on the right is a Eurasian eagle owl. That's a green-winged macaw in the back. Here's that beautiful bald eagle. You can get your picture taken with at the end of the show. She'll be here about 2 minutes. Then she goes over to the side. Back here is an African fish eagle, and that's a harpy eagle, one of the largest, most powerful eagles in the world, and our logo here this year. We hope you'll join our conservation efforts this year. Maybe over at the booth, maybe just things you do at home. Things like conserving, recycling, supporting conservation.
Very good.
She was ding, 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 dropping it.
Abigail.
Okay, somewhere they're trying to get
Thank you, guys.
Okay, go, 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 go.